if you are wondering if you can switch to the selfie camera or the front camera while recording a video on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then we're gonna check exactly that in this video. So let's jump to the camera. We're gonna switch to the video mode. Right now I am using the rear camera and I'm gonna start recording, and let's see if we can find any button. This is for taking a photo, so that doesn't work. We can pause and we can stop recording, but we cannot change the camera to the front. Maybe this is due to the frame rate, so I'm gonna switch to 30 and let's see. No, we still don't have the button. So let's switch the resolution to 1080p, and still there is no way to switch the camera to the front. I'm gonna also check the Pro mode. So right now we have the Pro video. I'm gonna start with 1080p and let's start recording. And here as well, it is not possible to change to the front camera. So the answer is no, we cannot switch to the front camera when we start recording a video by using the rear camera. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.